It's a pleasure, Master Designers. Tonight we're going to draw a victreebell. One of the members of Team Rocket. Of course, he has this attitude involving shouting at the unexpected times. Like for starters, also known as the flycatcher Pokemon, it lures prey with its sweet aroma of honey swallowed whole. The prey is dissolved in a day, bones and all. What was that, a rhyme? Psh, this guy's a lot... This guy is way too smart for a guy like me. I'm talking about me. I'm way too smart to even fall for something like that. Nothing personal, victreebell. I believe he's an interesting guy. I can't believe it. Here's victreebell's arm, his jaws.
Impressive. Now you've reached the plateau, but not yet a hero. Are you ready to meet and defeat the elite?
Oh, trust me, I'm gonna be part of the elites one day.
Against your rival. And remember, gotta catch 'em all.
Be sure to draw the gigantic leaves. Yep. And almost done. Here are the spots. This reminds me of all the times we went down to Dave & Buster's and my dad's club. I miss it. And finished. Awesome. I finally finished drawing victreebell. I feel like we might see victreebell again one day. And if that's true, can you please post a comment on when he might come back? That's all for now. Anyway, what other member of Team Rocket's Pokemon do you want me to draw next? And if you have any information, please leave a comment below on which one you want me to draw next. That's all for now. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which Pokemon you want me to draw next. Take a story. See you later. Good night.